having a hard time following it. Just see that red head pop out once in a while. I'm afraid if I get up, it'll take off.
I got a real good view of it.
Yeah, I've lost it now. I can't get the lens of the camera any higher without it goes to the carport instead of the bird, the woodpecker. I think it's a ladderback. Pretty sure. Do you see it still?
I can barely see its head right there.
It's way up.
Right there.
I've lost it again.
Right. Straight up.
Oh, wow. Okay, all the way over to the trunk. And I'm zoomed in, so the camera is really... Plus, I'm almost... I'm about to do a back stand. Okay. I think that's as good as it'll get, but that was pretty cool. Ladderback woodpecker on the pecan tree. Okay. Love you guys.